So, you want to know how to invest in the stock market, huh? Oh, you really want to know how to invest in the stock market? How can I turn $100 into 1,000? Well, I got a video for you. Welcome to Tomorrow Venture Investing. For starters, 10x in your investments just going to take a little bit of time. In most cases, it's going to take a whole lot of time. I presume you came here for the truth, so I'm going to give it to you. Most of the time, to 10x your money is going to take time and risk. And now, for the big secret. Hold on now. Hear me out. I understand this is a cliche, but really, I can prove it. Let's take Tesla, for instance. It's a $1 trillion market cap. At a little over $1,000 a share. In order to 10x it, you would need $10,000 a share. Or Apple at $173 for $1,730 a share, which hit a $3 trillion market cap. HP at $38 a share. 383. You just don't buy high and try to sell it for higher. What you need is disruption in the market. A rapid and large market declines to help you get to 10x ability. As of the date of recording this, small cap stocks are fit in that category. You don't always need disruption in the market to 10x your investment, but for the best possible outcome, then yes. Take Smile Direct Club. This is very risky because it's only a $2 stock. And in my opinion, it's been way oversold. This fits our disruption in the market category. But to 10x this one, $22.50 a share. Its 52-week high was $16. This is not out of the realm of possibilities to get this one to $22.50 than it is to get Tesla to shoot all the way to $10,000 a share. Now we have Oatly, which is $7.41. 52-week high, $29. To get it 10x is $74. Now I understand. That's like a little over double what the 52-week high is. But do you know Oatly? Plant-based dairy products. Where they were doing plant-based milk, but now they're also doing ice cream and yogurt. In addition to several factories are already up and running, they have another 2 more factories they're going to build and have it up by 2023. So they have several things behind them. Future growth, new products, and the idea of maybe a plant-based food movement, like a EV movement. That just happened recently with the electric vehicle. I mean, take the Honest Company. It's been severely beaten down as well. This is not out of the realm of possibilities. Small caps stocks are not the only niche right now. I mean, you could take Teladoc. That's not a small cap stock, but it's $79 a share. $795 to 10x. Is this out of the realm of possibilities? Its 52-week high is $300. But hey, they are in the telehealth movement. This could be a 10x. Or how about NVIDIA? A lot of people say that's undervalued. Investing is risky. There are no guarantees. Here were some examples of the possibilities that may help you get an idea. Don't be afraid to buy stocks that have dropped in some price. This will give you more upside potential and lower risk. And here's a quote from Warren Buffett. When everybody is greedy, you be fearful. When everybody's buying everything up, you got less upside potential. And when everybody is fearful, that's when you be greedy. And you buy stocks that dropped. And my saying, when there's blood in the water, become the shark. Averaging down. When stocks you've bought have already dropped, you buy more of the stock. Here is an example why. Let's say you bought 20 shares at $10 and the price fell to $7. So you buy 20 more. This will bring down your average price per share down to $8.50 per share for all 40 shares, which $8.50 from $7 is a whole lot closer than $7 it is to $10, what it was originally when you first bought in, as well as increases your potential of gaining more money per share. To 10x that investment, first you needed to go to $100 with just 20 shares, but now you only need to go to $85 with 40 shares. And not to mention, you already felt like it was a good price at $10 a share, so now it's $7. Why wouldn't you buy more? Like I said, do not be afraid of falling prices. They are your friend in most cases. Hey, thanks for watching Tomorrow Venture Investing. If you've not done so, hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you like, leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or not. According to the YouTube algorithm, they suggest you should watch this video next. And I want to take this time out to thank you. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it.